Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Financial statements. Financial statement refers to account statements which are finally prepared showing the profit earned or loss suffered, called profit and loss account, by the firm, and the financial state of affairs of the firm at the end of the concerned period, called balance sheet. Financial statements are systematically organized summary of all account heads presented in a manner to give complete information about the financial position and performance of the enterprise. Performance of enterprise is judged on the basis of income earned or accrued during the year in the form of profit after adjustment of expenses related to the enterprise and to the income earned or accrued. Preparation of financial statements. The principal function of final statement of accounts, that is trading account, profit and loss account, and the balance sheet, are to exhibit truly and fairly the profitability and the financial position of the business to which they relate. Basic principles of preparation of financial statements. The distinction to be made between capital and revenue, both income and expenditure. Income and expenses related to a period of account should be separated from those of another period. Different items of income and expenditure should be accumulated under the significant heads so as to disclose this from which capital has been procured and the nature of liabilities which are outstanding for payment. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.